5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're going! We can't wait! We're so excited!
And we are off! We're at the RV Museum. Let's go check this out.
Woo!
All the people have been here. Drive.
Here we go. We are going.
Where are you going?
Oh, I don't know.
Eleanor, where are you going? It's the question.
Eleanor, what are you doing? We thought campers have come a long way, but in reality, the teardrop has not changed. This is from 1946.
Looky here, the world's oldest Airstream, a 1935 torpedo.
This is the very first Airstream. That is wild. This was used in the movie RV from 1948. Really cool looking. Oh, Gwen's driving.
Wild. This was used in World War II. And look at the music.
I was gonna say, did you get the jukebox going?
Yeah.
So this trailer is from 1936. It has not been restored. It was found in a barn, and it's been in the barn for the past, what, 70 years. And pretty wild in here. I mean, look at the heater. Beautiful. How cool is this? You got kind of two sleeping areas, the back. 1936. 86 years ago. Here's what it was called, the Silver Moon. The most livable of all trailers. This was towed by a Cadillac. Nice little small pop-up from 1937. And then moving on over here, another pop-up, Starcraft from 1973. These you still see on the road every so often. My buddy's got an old one from 1980, I believe. So you still see them every so often. Those are the older ones we were just back in, and Eleanor is really enthralled by these motorcycles. You gonna be a motorcyclist? This one, 1973. We're kind of just traveling through time here. Little upgrades. Nice. A little bit more spacious. Let's see what we got going on in here. Maybe that's where the fridge was. Yeah, it's just the storage. Oh, there's your fridge. 62 Airstream. Look at that. That's why Airstreams are really cool. Is because what they're made of. Just, you know, doesn't go bad. Cute little guy in here. Look at that. Hey, there's your potty. This is a 1973 Winnebago. We've got some modern amenities going on now. I see some AC. We got some way more windows. We actually have 110 running to the back of the trailer. 1973. I don't know what this is. The car cooler. Check this out. So this must be before ACs. That's ingenious. MC 1976 motorhome. And you know what's interesting about this one is it costs anywhere between $27,000 and $54,000, about the same price as an average home. So I would say like the high-end luxury RVs are right in line with what it was back in 1976, right? You can get an RV that's 300 grand nowadays, much larger, but times have not changed really. Let's go see what this was like. This is luxury back in the day. Huge kitchen table. I'd love to see that. You got 3 in the front. That's super fun. Got your microwave, your oven, obviously your sinks. Now we're talking. Look back here. We got the bunk bed for the kiddos. Sleep. I don't really think the adults over here, and then 2 kids over here. No master, which I'm fine with that. I kind of like that personally. Desk. This would work from home, guys. Is that a modem I see right there? All right, so how many cylinders and spark plugs do you count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So then how many on the other side?
There's 4.
And 4 plus 4 is? 8. So this must be a V8.
This one's pretty cool. A 1941 West Craft. It was used in defense of this country during World War II. And check it out. I mean, that's pretty cool that that radio's in here. All wood. Pretty spacious, I tell you, for back in the day. Check it out.
Check out our new bobblehead.
There's the buddies.
Bobblehead, bobblehead, bobblehead.
There's your dashboard bobblehead.
Oh.
Hey,
Hey,
come here.
where are we going?
We are going to that.
We leave Gwen for 2 seconds, and this is what she's doing. What are you on?
I'm on a bicycle. But I should see you later. I'll come back.
Little kid probably rode this 70 years ago. So this cool thing not only blows air into your car, but you put ice at the bottom of it, and it cools the air as you go in, as it blows into your car.
Free AC.
All right, I got some more old Harleys. Ooh, a nice Triumph. That's my dad's favorite bike. Some more race stuff. Gwen, that's a huge trophy. You want to go in this car? No, I believe there's somebody in it already. We can make it. Let's do it. Oh, we can't make it. Okay. Well, overall, I'd say the RV Museum in Amarillo, Texas was definitely a stop I'd recommend. Super cool. A lot of old RVs to go walk through and look at and read about and learn about. Highly recommend it. Not an all-day stop by any means. Probably an hour and a half tops. It's completely free. And if you're in Amarillo, Texas, it's pretty flat. There's not much to do there. I would recommend going and checking it out. Join us next time as we head down to Louisiana. We go try to check out, we go paddleboard some bayous and experience some extreme humidity. Never camped in anything like this before. Super cool. Join us next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks everybody. See ya.